Hello friends, today I came here to tell you a presentation about the solar system. Do you know what is a solar system? Various celestial bodies such as dwarf planets and natural satellites revolving around the sun taken together is known as a solar system. The solar system has been formed 4,600 million years ago by combining dust particles and gases together. When we observe the night sky with our naked eye, we can see a multitude of stars. Stars are celestial bodies and emit light and heat. Thus, they are sources of energy. They can be seen shining or twinkling in the night sky. However, the other celestial bodies such as planets, natural satellites, and asteroids, though they do not emit light, are visible in the night sky. As they reflect the sunlight, they are seen with monotonous light that does not twinkle. Now we'll take a look of the compositions of the solar system. You can see some images of the compositions of solar systems in this slide. The Sun, the main body of the solar system. Planets, the largest celestial bodies. Smaller planets or dwarf planets. Natural satellites of the planets. Millions of other rock particles, such as asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Now we are going to look about an interesting fact. It's the sun. The sun is the main source that provides energy for the existence of the life on the earth. The temperature of the center of the sun is about 15 million Celsius. The surface temperature is about 6000 Celsius. Now we'll look at several important facts about the sun. It holds 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system or substance that belongs to the whole system. It extends in 109 times of the diameter of the Earth. The diameter is 1.4 million kilometers. It is a source of energy and it provides energy and heat to all the planets in the solar system. Solar storms occur on the surface of the sun and on such occasions flames would burst out from the sun. The sun revolves on its own axis. The time taken for one rotation is 25.4 Earth days. Now in these slides, we are going to look about planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There are 2 categories of the planets. They are inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets means the planets located between the Sun and belt of asteroids are known as inner planets. Examples: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Outer planets means the planets located out of the belt of asteroids are known as outer planets. Examples: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we'll look about the facts of each planet. Now we are going to look about the first planet of the solar system. It's Mercury. You can see an image of Mercury in this slide. Mercury is the closest planet of the Earth. It is the smallest member of the solar system. It is a bit larger than the Moon. The natural satellites of the Earth is size. The temperature is extremely high due to the close proximity to the Sun and slow rotation. The surface temperature is about 167 degrees. There are craters on the surface due to volcanic eruptions. It has no atmosphere, therefore, this is high risk of falling asteroids and meteoroids. Mercury has no satellites. Now in this slide, we are going to look about the second planet of the solar system. It's Venus. Venus is the second planet according to the distance from the Sun. It is closest planet to the Earth. It is the planet with the highest surface of temperature, 464 Celsius. It is somewhat smaller than the Earth in size. It is the planet most clearly visible in the night sky. The surface of the planet is covered by a thick layer of clouds. Therefore, its surface cannot be seen well. It is visible brightly in the sky due to the reflection of the sun's rays by this thick layer of clouds. Rotation from east to west is a special feature of this planet. The main gas found in this planet is carbon dioxide, 96%. During one period of the year, it is clearly visible in the eastern sky before dawn and during another period in the western sky after sunset. Hence, Venus is called the morning star as well as the evening star. Venus has no satellites. Now in this slide, we are going to look about the third planet of the solar system. It's the Earth. Earth is the planet which we live on. It is the third planet from the Sun in the distance and it is the largest among the inner planets. It is visible as an attractive celestial object in blue when it is seen from the outer space. Hence, it is called the blue planet. According to the information found up to date, it is the only planet with life. Existence of water, congenial atmospheric composition, and the gravitational power are the reasons for existence of the life on Earth. The Earth has one natural satellite, called the Moon. Now we are going to look about the fourth planet of the solar system. It's Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun according to distance. It is called the red planet since it is visible as a reddish object in the night sky. We can see Mars with the naked eye as it is the second closest planet to the Earth. There is a thin atmosphere and carbon dioxide in predominant gas. Mars has two satellites called Phobos and Deimos. Now in this slide, we are going to talk about the fifth planet of the solar system. It's Jupiter. Outer planets begins with Jupiter. Among the planets, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and it is the largest planet in the solar system. The diameter of Jupiter is 1,042,984 kilometers and it is 10 times more than the diameter of the Earth. The regions like black stripes as well as bright regions can be seen on the surface of Jupiter. Jupiter has the highest gravitational force among the planets in the solar system. Jupiter has the largest number of natural satellites. According to the observation up to date, it has 67 natural satellites. Now in this slide, we are going to talk about the sixth planet of the solar system. It's Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet and it is about 9 times the size of the Earth. Saturn has an attractive set of rings around it. These rings are formed of ice particles of different sizes. Saturn has 62 natural satellites. Now in this slide we are going to look about the seventh planet of the solar system. It's Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. It has been found that Uranus too has the thin set of rings around it. It has 27 satellites. Now in this slide we are going to look about the last planet of the solar system, the eighth planet. It's Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet and the one the farthest from the Sun. It is seen in blue. It is the four times larger than the Earth. Neptune is extremely cold due to the long distance from the Sun. It has 14 natural satellites. Now in this slide we are going to look about dwarf planets. Do you know what are dwarf planets? The small planets which have no fixed orbits are known as dwarf planets. At present, 5 planets have been identified as dwarf planets. International Astronomical Association in 2006. However, scientists believe that there may be more than 5. The 5 dwarf planets are shown in the picture. In this slide, we are going to look about asteroids. Do you know what are asteroids? Asteroids are usually considered as fragments of rocks left over when forming the solar system. They are formed with hard rocks and they are of different shapes and sizes. More than millions of asteroids can be found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. You can see an image of an asteroid in the slide. Now in this slide we are going to look about a new planet. It's Planet 9. I think it will be more interesting for you. The Caltech Astronomical Institute in USA revealed information about a ninth planet, which is 10 times larger than the Earth. This planet has been named as Planet 9, but it has not been proved yet as a member of the solar system. As a result of continuous exploratory activities, the knowledge about the space is changing day by day. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching my presentation. I think you will have an understanding about solar system. Bye. Have a nice day.